Pelatih PSM Makassar Bernardo Tavares memboyong seluruh pemainnya ke Parepare untuk persiapan laga melawan Persita Tangerang. Laga PSM Makassar versus Persita Tangerang berlangsung di Stadion B.J. Habibie Kota Parepare, Sulawesi Selatan pada Jumat 23 Mei 2022 pukul 20.00 waktu Indonesia Tengah. Dari pantauan tribuntimur.com di sesi official training pada Kamis 22 Mei 2025 sekitar pukul 19.00 waktu Indonesia Tengah, beberapa pemain yang jarang diboyong ke Parepare terlihat hadir mengikuti latihan jelang laga. Pemain seperti Syamil Bahij berposisi kiper dan Dimas Soekarno terlihat mengikuti official training. Tidak hanya itu, gelandang PSM Makassar yakni Emarvan yang sebelumnya sempat menepi lama usai naik meja operasi akibat cedera anterior cruciate ligament atau ACL juga ikut diboyong. Namun dari wajah baru yang dibawa Tavares ke Parepare tidak terlihat penyerang Juku Eja Daisuke Sakai mengikuti official training. Pelatih PSM Makassar Bernardo Tavares mengisyaratkan akan melakukan rotasi pemain di laga terakhir menjamu Persita Tangerang. Tavares mengungkapkan dirinya tidak memedulikan soal apakah pemain sudah mendapat menit bermain lebih banyak ataupun belum mendapat menit bermain. Kata dia, dirinya mulai bermain dari sesi latihan hingga layak dimainkan saat laga.
Selamat malam. First, before I speak about the game, I want to say one thing for our supporters. I think it's very important tomorrow the true supporters of PSM Makassar come to Parepare. It was a long season. We have the youngest team of the Liga Satu. If we win, we're going to be on top 6, but I think it's fantastic position. Don't forget that also we compete on the international competition and we go to semi-final. And it's totally different. The supporters come tomorrow, support the players. That, in my opinion, make a fantastic season. Because we lose some important players last season. For this season, as you see, we sign the players that we can sign. The market is like this. There are other teams that have more budget than us. We are the travel team. The team that travel more on Liga Satu. The league not change the schedule for us, comparing with other teams, and the players don't stop to fight. So please, tomorrow, if you are a true supporter of PSM Makassar, come to the stadium. Come to support your team. Come and bring extra energy for our players, because we're going to need it.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.